Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey! You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, what did them? Ramp da youth. Tired? Woo!
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Hey you! Have you subscribed? Damn girl! Have you subscribed? No, so that Ilya. Funny thing about it, you know. Workout clothes me, you know. I'm running in town right now. Walking up the hill. Here's a car. Tired. No vlog from when I've been so tired and stuff. Hey, open up. Hello everyone. Good morning. The birds are chirping. The birds are chirping. Morning guys. So what is white squad? Oh god. Morning guys. So I am taking a walk this morning. Taking in the fresh air. Yeah, so I start walk back now because from when I exercise and we can't allow quarantine for me to get out of control. So I wake up and decide say I start walk this morning, so that's what I'm doing now. About 1 mile in, like my bottom of my road basically. Yesterday walking up the hill, I realized how unfit I was getting, and I have to drip up myself in the hand. Wicked. So yeah, kick off back your walking and a workout and try to get things under control and bake things. Punki did my hair. When I pull it down, I'm gonna show you guys a picture. Punki and Chantel, when I do a good job, man, I tell no lie. I feel like a hairdresser, I go, you're neat. From me, I do my hair, guys. I neatest me ever get my ear done, and I did not go to a professional. Punki and Chantel, my yard people them do it neat, nice. Me fi tell you. What you gonna do now? Say good morning to the vlog. Tita toe.
What's a long time here, Auntie Lisa?
So guys, we're going to prune. A prune in here? How are you, mommy? Tell me no. You don't know any name. Tell my name, mommy.
Watch him now first.
So mommy is sharpening the flower scissors, and we're gonna cut down, trim up this tree, Christmas tree, round it up, and bake things. Carry in. Where did you get tree? You sit in the tree so far? You little boy. You know, see, me I talk to you too much time. All right.
Go.
Put on your scissors. Put it on. How you not go under there? Are we in? Back up.
Actually, I hear about one. I know what's in it. You would have fly already.
Come over here. Mommy, see your machete now, you want to sharpen? Eh? See your machete you want to sharpen?
I'm not buying machete.
Over.
That is machete.
This machete.
I'm not buying machete. Where you get that?
Panny back veranda. No. I fashion.
Already dancing the know.
So guys, we're about to eat our breakfast, which is porridge. I'm about to add some bread on the top. Real traditional Jamaican style. And big things. So guys, this is what it looks like. Cornmeal porridge with the bread on the top. Gold. I'm gonna mash up now. Yo, my people. We're going to another place. It a shake. Punki and Chantel, you fix me. Girl look cute, bad. Guys, check out my hair. Done by Punki and my cousin Chantel. They did a very, very good job. It's very neat. This is the neatest I've seen my hair from a natural. And sitting, I'm very proud. So I'm on the road. You know, I'm with my dear friend. I make a 1-3 move, nothing too extra, nothing too fussy in a place. But I want to go and pick up on a damn clean self in the building. Like guys, you're gonna be seeing more reaction videos from me. The coming week is gonna be a reaction week. I'm gonna do reaction to videos and stuff like that. I want to try to do reactions. The time you catch him? Yeah. Oh yeah, the time we had. What mama? Out there. Me I come there when I'm not fast like you, you know. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. You don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a them. I just nice, I think I gotta save me. And she come in at the house and she never fear me. Hey, I just nice. Woo. Anyways guys, I'm heading to the pig pen. I don't know what going over there. When I'm going to pick them, did pregnant. Pig take 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days to have a baby. The pig did pregnant, you know, get it proper feeding because they never know say pig pregnant. So they might attend to him now because he still have baby. I'm coming, baby. A girl is in her. No, sir. I need to lose 20 pounds, like seriously. Shout out to Punki for me yourself. Chantel. May I come? Why do you tie up your mouth? And which one of them pregnant? This one? I'm big, so I'm big. Which one? I know him not pregnant. Him big. Clink, clink.
Kitchen box. I don't want to kitchen. Go.
My name is in my head.
I don't know the one wrong. I don't know the one again. Ching. Piggy. Come, piggy.
Hey, wait, what you do? Watch out, Jesus. Watch out. Mommy, see the pig out here, don't you?
Come. Hey. Box it up, see me?
Lock up your mouth.
And drop the rope.
Yeah, good.
I'm gonna take you out at night. If you want to come over the front,
What to take you out?
you cut your rope.
Ah, God. Why do you lock up your mouth?
And the pig can't get wet. You wind up the rope and pull him up and release it up. See what make the pig do?
No, and him make you pig do that, I him do it by himself.
Take my time.
Watch out, watch out. Wally with your hand, Wally with your hand.
Wait.
Yeah. No, go up that way. No, go up there. Little boy, me tell you come down. Jesus. Warm to you.
Come. Let him put on. Come.
Oh, God.
Not believe now. Catch on the shrimp. Two different things.
Mommy, if you are running water, you just spray water and then wash out it. Like that, Romeo do.
Come and think of the running.
Like you run the water, make it like right, that's all. And the hose can stretch to all of them.
All you show me can catch that. Him.
So when a black and tan for mackerel. Mommy, you see Romeo black pig them? Up to the black pig them races against the white pig. Up to the white pig them races against them. The black pig them when them beat the white pig them. When they get to feed them turn up in night. So the white one them have to just eat round the outskirts. Me I say up to them.
Catch on different kind of. I want to get catch again.
That way too rough.
I have to put you up in our mouth first for me.
You spray over here. You plant a tree. Plant a coconut tree.
Cut.
Get him that way. It's too rough.
Down the want to catch boat.
Come here.
Down, ding.
Come here, Miss your face. You're so cute. Look in the camera. Smile. I just put my chin and all. Bush strap for me. Anyways, guys, light gone. So I'm gonna look on the plants them. I have a big issue. Some of my plants died because where they were, it top out when I leak and I never realized the rain beat them out. Also, the land that I prepared to plant the stuff. Yo! No, come back, cute. The land that I prepared to plant the stuff, like the bed, the dirt not enough. They plant too much rocky soil, so we probably have to go move and clean up somewhere else. Also, when I clean up yet, so that will take a time. So I don't know what I have to go replant some seed too. Wait until the man come to clean the place because where they me can't clean it over one hillside. Plant the pumpkin them and stuff. So I'm gonna look on the stuff them I did put in a bed and see if they can come up because rainfall yesterday and they were pretty small, so I don't know if they wash them out. So that me I gotta do now. Stress out over my planting, me I tell you. I don't know if I can see them, but I planted this. Then I want weed off. Then I catch up, man. Then I catch up. You stand up firm. You stand up firm. You stand up firm. I get a piece of stick for this run pan. Stand up firm. Oh, but just go look for what I did plant in my bed. Some of them not come up, but some of them stand strong. So I'm glad about that. But I probably have to move them because these things that I plant there, there are things that run like pumpkin, and that's not a good location for them based off research and stuff. So I'm going to go work on the next location. I try to get to work, man. If he come and we not get to him, so I don't know yet.